So by now you might be getting overwhelmed with how am I going to post all this content? How am I going to keep up with all these social media platforms? What's nice, there's a lot of social media management tools in place to help you. Some apps I personally use are Everpost, Hootsuite, If This Then That, or Buffer, and these all allow me to manage and post to multiple social media platforms at once. So the first one I like, obviously, Instagram. You can post your photo, your description with a backlink, and then select other social media platforms you want to post to simultaneously. So for this, I like to select Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Flickr, Foursquare, and then create If This Then That recipes for my Tumblr to post to other social media platforms. So I'll touch on that in a second. Next is the app EveryPost. So it allows you to use their API setup to create a convenient way to post to multiple audiences at once. So for this, you can select Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn. So you can upload a photo, write a post, a video, etc., and post it all at once. Next is Hootsuite. So this is one that does cost, but it has a really nice interface. Next, I like using Later.com. They have a really nice calendar layout, and you can sync up your Instagram, Facebook page, Pinterest, and Twitter, with up to 30 free posts per month. This is another for cost one, Buffer app. The nice thing about Buffer is that there's scheduling. So if you don't want to post it right then, you can schedule it to post at 7 p.m., 7 a.m., and noon. So you can really schedule out your day and your posting without having to be at the computer at those specific times. Finally, If This Then That. I mentioned that before. If This Then That is a recipe for putting the internet to work for you. So basically, it's a service that lets you create powerful connections with one simple statement. So like I said, it's a recipe for the internet. I can connect channels, I can connect different social media platforms as triggers and actions. So for my example, when I post a picture to Instagram, it instantly triggers an If This Then That recipe to post that picture to my Twitter. So it's a great way to have a trigger system so I can simply post on one platform and my If This Then That account will trigger posts to various other social media platforms.